Hey guys, we got the smoker going. We're gonna throw a Tri Tip on and smoke that up. So let's roll some smoke and get started. All right guys, let's set that smoker on low, about 180 degrees, works perfect. We're gonna season this Tri Tip with a little salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and some paprika. Make sure to season both sides of the steak and all around the outside as well. Make sure that seasoning's on there good. We're gonna place this directly on the smoker. We're gonna smoke only about 20 minutes. We don't wanna smoke it too long. It can get tough, so just 20 minutes, give it a little smoke flavor. We're gonna pull it off of the smoker, tin it with aluminum foil, and then I'm putting in some grill grates. These are great for searing steaks and turning the temperature up to 425. Once it's heated, throw that steak on, and it should take about 6 to 9 minutes aside. To cook it to medium, I went to 135 internal, and I'm slicing against the grain here, and that's it. It's super easy. Enjoy.